Welcome back, Thirsties! In this video, we will feature no other than our original oppa crush, Rain or Jung Ji-hoon in real life. I'm sure no one will argue with me when I say that he's one of our OG Korean oppa that is really hot. From acting to singing and dancing, he really captured our hearts. My God, his kissing scenes are really hot. He has an undeniable sex appeal whenever he's with his leading lady and in performing. He is so sexy. Until now that he's already 40 years old, he still managed to maintain his abs and sexy physique. But I must say that his lips is also his asset. He kisses with lots of passion and very steamy. Let us all experience those steamy kisses in this video. But before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Thirsties, to experience more hottest and sexy men in the planet. Thank you! 감사합니다! Let's start with the romantic comedy film entitled I'm a Cyborg, but that's okay. This is his very first movie alongside Im Soo-jung. And for the very first film, he already gave us his steamy kissing prowess. My God, look at how hot he kisses. It's on the border of being passionate, the vacuum kiss. I included Ninja Assassin, his Hollywood movie, in this list because he's so hot here and I'm just so proud of him on doing international projects. He has no kissing scenes here, but he has lots of abs and body exposure. Dirty body exposure actually. But I don't really care if it's dirty. LOL. Rain also did plenty of Korean and Chinese co-production. The 2014 movie For Love or Money is one of those collaborations. This romance film really showcased how hot he is. And of course, those kissing scenes are really steamy, especially on the bathroom. I love it! I also included in this list his worst film. Actually, it's considered as South Korea's worst film ever made. Bok-dong is a biographical drama film about the legendary cyclist. It's a flop movie and failure, not just commercially, but also critically. Let's now move to Rain's K-dramas, starting with his very first K-drama called Sangdo, Let's Go to School. His leading lady is no other than the rom-com queen of Korea, Gong Hyo-jin. He's so young and fresh here and already gave his hot and steamy kiss. He won Best New Actor in KBS Drama Awards and Most Popular TV Actor in Baeksang Arts Award. And who would forget Full House with Song Hye-kyo? My God, I still remember those days when I get addicted to this K-drama. It's the start of romantic comedy genre in Korean drama. It also helped in the Korean wave in Asia and around the world. The chemistry between Rain and Hye-kyo is just so good. A Love to Kill is another successful K-drama of Rain. He was paired with Shin Min-ah. It has remakes from different countries. Plus, did you notice that the kissing scene between Rain and Min-ah? It's a super steamy French kiss. His mouth is occupying her full mouth. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that's so hot. The Fugitive Plan B is a personal favorite of mine. Aside from Rain being just hot in this series, is that the comedy and action combination of the series is perfect. Lee Na-young and Rain charismas are so good. The rights of the series is actually sold to 7 countries in Asia. My lovely girl's backdrop is the K-pop industry and the story which evolves about 2 people who will find themselves healed through music. Rain looks mature and very formal here, but his kiss remains as steamy and as passionate as ever. He looks daddy here. Daddy, I'm your baby! Diamond Lover is the K-drama series that Rain made in China. It's a very successful series in the country, peaking the ratings of 1.249 and 3.3 billion views online. Well, I cannot blame them because the story is well written and very enjoyable to watch. Look at that abs. Comeback Mister is a TV series starring Rain and Oh Yeon-so, based on the Japanese novel published in 2002. Mr. Tsubakiyama's 7 Days by Jiro Asada. The story is very light and Rain is really killing it in the rom-com genre. He's just so great. Welcome to Life receives a lot of nomination in the 2019 MBC Drama Awards. I love Rain's character development in this series, from the selfish lawyer to actually falling in love. In our lifetime, we fall in love in a bad guy, right? Last but definitely not the least is his recent very successful fantasy medical drama called Ghost Doctor. The series receives high ratings and proves that Rain will never go out of style. This is a highly recommended series for you Thirsties. Disclaimer time! Watch until the end for giveaway. Some videos are not from actual series due to copyright restrictions. Nevertheless, all videos used are under YouTube fair use. Some clips are also edited by other YouTubers. I am not removing their logo on the screen. Please subscribe to their respective channels. Thank you so much, Thirsties! Giveaway alert! Our giveaway is back, Thirsties, this November. For my second live Thanksgiving, 1,000 pesos will be given. Just like and subscribe!